Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding economics concepts in just 1 minute. This is Dr. Atman Shah. Let's understand the idea of cost benefit analysis. Cost benefit analysis is a data driven method for evaluating financial costs and benefits of a project or decision. So by assigning monetary value to all costs and benefits, both direct and indirect, we can compare them and assess the overall impact of that particular project. So if expected benefits are greater than costs, then the decision could be considered a good one. But if costs are higher than benefits, then we need to reconsider the decision or the project. Now, this approach is widely used in public policy, in production management, and business to ensure the efficient allocation of resources. So, that's the idea of cost benefit analysis. If you like it, share it.